Hey there! Welcome to the Linux Administration Fundamentals course, where you will learn the Linux Administration Fundamentals and essential skills using the CentOS 8 Linux distribution. I am Mustafa Mahmoud, a senior Linux administrator and online instructor. I have been working as Linux system administrator for more than 10 years, currently devoted to teaching. I like to share my knowledge with others and help them advance in their careers. Through this course, I will low-hanging fruit for you, and you will get a solid understanding of the fundamentals of Linux administration from where you can go through more advanced topics without suffering. This course is presently supported on the latest releases of Linux distributions like Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Debian, and Ubuntu. I prepared this course for newbie Linux users, and no previous knowledge is needed. I only ask you to come open-minded and ready to learn. Feel free to take a look at the course description, and I look forward to seeing you inside.